I've built dozens of PCs over the years, and I know how frustrating it is to find a case that looks great without feeling like cheap plastic. I actually went out and grabbed the 5 most popular options to see which ones are worth your cash. Here's my breakdown of the best PC cases under $100.
Product number 1, Musitex NN8. When I first pulled the Musitex NN8 out of the box, the glass side door immediately caught my eye. Most cases at this price make you unscrew 4 annoying bolts, but this one just swings open with a little pull ring. I found this super handy for quick dusting or if I wanted to swap out a figure inside. It comes with 6 pre-installed fans, which is honestly insane value. During my testing, the airflow through that polygonal mesh front kept my temps surprisingly low. The fans are PWM, so they didn't sound like a jet engine when I was just browsing the web. I noticed plenty of room up top for a radiator, and I didn't have to worry about it hitting my RAM sticks. If you want a flashy, high airflow build without buying extra fans, start right here.
Product number 2, NZXT H5 Flow 2024. Holding the NZXT H5 Flow, you can tell where your money went. The build quality feels much more premium and solid than the budget brands. It's got this ultra-fine mesh that feels sturdy, not flimsy. When I was routing cables, I fell in love with their cable management system. They've got these wide channels and straps that made my messy wiring look professional in about 10 minutes. I noticed the PSU shroud is perforated all along the bottom, which really helped my GPU breathe. It only comes with 2 fans, so I had to add a couple more to really see it shine, but the airflow path is direct and efficient. This is the choice for anyone who wants a clean, minimalistic look and actually enjoys the building process rather than fighting with cramped spaces. Product number 3, Montech XRB. The Montech XRB is probably the most unique case I've worked with lately. The wood grain finish on the I/O panel gives it this classy furniture vibe that looked great on my desk. It's a fish tank style case with dual glass panels, so I had a perfect view of my parts from the front and side. I was worried about heat since the front is glass, but Montech includes 3 ARGB fans, including 2 reverse blade ones on the side. This is a smart move because it closes air in while still looking beautiful. I managed to fit a massive 40 series card in here with room to spare. If you're tired of the standard gamer look and want something that feels like a piece of home decor while showing off your high-end hardware, this is definitely the one to grab.
Product number 4, Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L. I picked up the Q300L specifically for a smaller micro ATX build, and I was shocked by how light and modular it is. My favorite part is the I/O panel. You can actually move it to 6 different spots around the frame. I ended up putting it on the bottom since my PC sits on my desk. The magnetic dust filters have a cool pattern, and they're so easy to peel off and rinse. While the side panel is acrylic rather than tempered glass, it's held up well during my testing. It's a bit more compact, but I still fit a full-sized power supply and a decent-sized GPU without any clearance issues. This is the go-to if you're tight on desk space or building a budget secondary rig where every dollar counts.
Product number 5, Gamdius Aura GC2 Elite WH. I wanted to test a white build, and the Gamdius Aura GC2 Elite delivered that clean aesthetic perfectly. The chamfered front mesh looks sharp and lets a ton of air through to the 4 pre-installed ARGB fans. I noticed the internal layout is pretty straightforward, making it a breeze for beginners. The tempered glass is a tool-free design, which I always appreciate when I'm tweaking my setup. Even though it's a mid-tower, it feels roomy enough for a 360mm radiator if you're planning on liquid cooling. I found the LED control button on the top panel really convenient for cycling through colors without needing to mess with buggy software. It's a solid, well-rounded choice if you want a whiteout build that's ready to go right out of the box. Outro. Picking the right case really comes down to your personal style and how much room you have on your desk. I've put the links to all 5 of these in the description so you can check the latest prices. Let me know which one you're picking.